I told you I need it. He needs it. Only if you can pay the price. But I have nothing. Wait, here. Oh, thank you. Take care of him.
Viewers, today I'm bringing you an amazing 2D animation niche after a long time. But before we begin, take a look at these videos. Notice how professional they look. The animation quality is outstanding. The visuals are highly engaging. The storytelling keeps viewers hooked, and everything is presented in crisp HD quality. As you also heard a moment ago, even the voiceover sounds incredibly natural and professional. Now, here's the exciting part. I created this entire video using 100% free AI tools. No expensive software, no paid subscriptions. First, I want you to check out this YouTube channel called Braille Evolved. It's an incredible example of what's possible with this niche. The channel has already gained 110,000 subscribers, and the most surprising part is that it has uploaded only 3 videos. Yes, you heard that right, just 3 videos, yet it has already reached over 110K subscribers. If we look at the estimated revenue, the channel is currently earning around $222 per month. Since it's still a relatively new channel, that number is expected to grow over time. Most importantly, the channel is already fully monetized, which proves that this content style has huge potential. Now let's look at the performance of those 3 videos. One of them has already crossed 9.4 million views, which is absolutely incredible. Another video has received around 235,000 views, while the third one is approaching 1 million views, currently sitting at around 900,000 views. This clearly shows how engaging this content is. The videos focus on a single niche, mainly history-based storytelling, combined with high-quality AI-generated visuals. Because the content is so engaging, the creator managed to monetize the channel with only 3 uploads. That means if we create similar high-quality content consistently, we also have a great opportunity to grow our channels and achieve monetization much faster. Now, without wasting any more time, let's move on to the master prompt. I have already prepared a complete master prompt for you. It includes everything you need, from story generation and image prompts to video prompts, voiceover prompts, and every other essential element required to create videos like this. The best part is that you'll find this master prompt through the first link in the description of this video. You can simply download or copy it from there. Even better, if you want to create a completely different story, you can easily customize the prompt using ChatGPT or Claude AI. Just ask the AI to modify the master prompt, and it will generate a brand new story while keeping the same professional structure. Once you've copied the prompt, I'm going to open Claude AI. Personally, I really like Claude AI because I find its results extremely well organized and highly professional. After opening Claude AI, simply paste the entire master prompt into the search box and submit it. Give it a few moments to process. And boom! Claude AI automatically organizes everything into different sections. It generates a story summary, a character design sheet, detailed image prompts, video prompts, voiceover prompts, and every other asset you need, essentially everything from A to Z. So, when you paste my master prompt into Claude AI, it automatically separates everything into organized sections, making the entire workflow much easier. You'll have dedicated sections for image generation, video generation, voiceover creation, and all the remaining production assets. Now let's generate our images. For image creation, I'll open Google Gemini. I highly recommend Gemini because it consistently produces very high-quality and detailed images. Next, simply copy the first image prompt generated by Claude AI. Paste that prompt into Gemini's search box, set the aspect ratio to 16.9, and then click Generate. Now, all you need is a little patience while Gemini processes the request. After a short wait, boom! Take a look at the result. Our first image is now ready. It looks incredibly clean, cinematic, dramatic, and highly detailed. The overall quality is impressive, making it perfect for creating professional-looking animated videos. Alright, viewers, now it's time to generate the remaining images. I'll start by copying my second image prompt. Once it's copied, I'll simply paste it into Gemini again and click the Generate button. Now, just like before, you'll need to be a little patient while the AI processes the request. After a short wait, boom. Take a look at the result. Our second image is now ready, and once again, the quality is absolutely amazing. The details, lighting, and overall visual style are incredibly impressive. Now I'll repeat the exact same process for the third image. I'll copy the third prompt, paste it into Gemini, click Generate, wait a few moments, and the third image is ready. Next, I'll do the same for the fourth image, and as you can see, the result looks fantastic as well. So far, we've successfully generated the first 4 scenes. Now my main goal is to generate all the remaining scenes. I'll simply continue the same workflow for scenes 5 through 10. Copy the prompt, paste it into Gemini, click Generate, and repeat the process until every scene is completed. Once all the prompts have been processed, oh my god, just look at these results. All 10 scenes have now been generated successfully. The best part is that the character remains completely consistent across every single scene, which is one of the most important factors in storytelling. The entire story has been created in a beautiful 2D animation style, and every image looks cinematic, engaging, and professionally designed. Overall, the final results are absolutely outstanding. Now that all our images are ready, I'll simply download each one. Once the downloads are complete, we'll move on to the most exciting part of this tutorial, the animation process, where we'll convert these static images into smooth, engaging videos. So let's get started. All right, viewers, now it's time to animate our images. For this step, I'll open Flow AI, which is my favorite website for AI video generation. Once you're on the website, simply upload all the images that you downloaded earlier. As you can see, I've already uploaded my images here. One thing I really like about Flow AI is that it gives you daily free credits, allowing you to generate multiple videos every day. That's one of the reasons I recommend it, especially if you're creating content without spending money. Now I'll select my first image, choose the VEO 3.1 LiTE model, paste the corresponding animation prompt, and then click the Generate button. Our first video has now started generating, so all you need to do is wait patiently for the process to finish, and here comes the result. Take a look at this first video.
I told you I need it. He needs it. Only if you can pay the price. But I have nothing. Wait, here. Oh, thank you, thank you. Take care of him.
It looks absolutely amazing. The animation is smooth, the visual quality is impressive, and it even includes synchronized voiceover, making the final output feel much more professional. This is exactly why I always recommend Flow AI. In my experience, it's one of the best AI tools for creating high-quality animated videos. Now let's generate the second scene. I'll simply select the second image, paste its animation prompt, click Generate, and wait a few moments. And there it is. Our second animated video is now ready, and once again, the quality is outstanding. The movements are smooth, the character remains consistent, and the overall animation looks incredibly professional. As I mentioned earlier, Flow AI is an excellent choice for AI animation, especially if you're looking for high-quality results with free daily credits. I'll repeat the same process for the remaining scenes. Since you've already seen the complete workflow, you can easily continue generating the rest of your animations by following the exact same steps. After a short wait, boom! All of my animated videos are now ready. Just take a look at the final results. Every scene is smooth, engaging, visually appealing, and perfectly matches the story. The character consistency is maintained throughout, making the entire animation feel polished and professional. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.